This is my batch and I created using Illustrator. As expected, I am creating it with 175 pixels per side. First of all, I inserted a polygon with 10 sides and I chose the brown color. Now I'm going to duplicate the shape, put it in the same position and rotate minus 90 degrees to create this effect. Next, I will create a circle. I will put it in the same center and it has one stroke of 1 pixel. I duplicated the circle, but in this time I want to choose a stroke that has dots like this. Now I am going to start with a ribbon. For that, I will select a rectangle. In this case, I decided to do it red without a stroke. This is the main part. And now I am going to duplicate this to create the second part of the ribbon. I will change the size and I will adjust the right part, so using the anchor point. Also, I'm going to insert a small black triangle that will help me to give the effect of a shadow. Then I'm going to jump and copy in the other side. And positioning according to the big circle. Now I'm going to insert the text. For this case, I selected the same font that I used for the poster. And I'm going to use this InDesign symbol that I found in the noun project. This is going to be in the center in white color. And last, I'm going to use the 3 stars. I inserted them and I'm saving as an Illustrator file. Now I'm going to select all the objects. I press Ctrl A and group. And having the group, I can export my selection as a PNG file. This is my final result. Thank you.